All right, probably don't crouch down at all. So it says Elise's blessing. So we got that. Wow, you guys, I'm taking a lot of damage from just crouching right now. So we got that blessing. And we got that blessing. Okay, so let's try to get it again. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Those fields are disabled. Now let's kill ourselves. I'm going to show you guys multiple fields this time. Someone asked me just the other day, actually, when I was showing them how to do, this mini map. I was showing them that I made a mini map of the map that we have here. So we got this little mini map, and we'll show you guys about the mini map in the next video. So I was showing him that. He came up here, and I showed him this, and he asked me how to make multiple fields work. And I told him, hey, it's right there. I should have showed you. So here's how this really works. What this is up here is kind of sadistic. So, judge me if you want, and I will say, hi. Fill blood pools and then drink the blood pool. So when you start the match, technically the fields will be activated. So it's fresh blood in there for the first person who gets over there and drinks the blood. You have to get down and put your head
in the field in order to drink it.
And then when you drink it, you get like 200% boost on something, on some things. So if I click it, edit, Elise's blessing, fire rate, 200% boost on your fire rate. This one is 200% of your damage. Health steal, probably like 3%. Elise's movement, and you probably have like 140 or 150% movement speed. Just kind of depends on what I have on the buffs. You make your own buffs. Remember, you're going to make your buffs over in
the event editor. If you don't know how to make the event editor pop up, you're going to go to edit rules, advanced editor, event editor, and then
my buffs are over here. You're going to click buffs. When you have a lot, it's going to like lag. So then we got this right here. What do we have? A bunch. Okay, Elise's blessing. These ones aren't really named right, but this is damage 200%. So those are the things that are going to be right there. So once you have a field placed and you have it programmed and you say, all right, yeah, I got the buff and I got the buff I want. So you're going to make an event for it. Remember, you guys make an event. And then we're going to say Elise's blessing. So we got, damage. Damage is over here. It looks like, I think, maybe it's damage right here. Oh, this is fire rate. This is damage. So this is damage right here. So we did that. So damage. So we made an event for damage so that we can put the event on that field there, which is the function. So we're going to say Elise's blessed damage. And that's what that is. Elise's blessed damage. We named it right there. And then we're going to say trigger function, triggering player. We're going to apply the buff, Elise's blessing that does the damage boost that I created. Or, in this case, it would be, you creating it. So once we have that, we don't need an exit function, or you can create a separate exit function for what I'm about to tell you, but you don't have to because I'm about to tell you how to do without it. And then you're going to set a field ID. So this one right here is 6. And I put this one to 7. Just to keep my stuff in order. 8. 9. Those fields are going to be very important. From Elise's blessing damage, whenever I enter the function, these are the things that I want to happen. I want it to apply Elise's blessing. But I also want it to disable the field because I want the blood to simulate itself being drank already. Somebody drunk it. And now it has to be refilled. So it's going to disable field 6 right here. And then it's going to play a sound to tell the person you can stop, crouching over like an idiot. You got the power up, And then on this one, it's going to be the same thing, except for it's going to disable field 7. And the next one's going to disable field 8. And we're going to disable field 9. Yeah, we did that. So once the person goes and drinks it, they'll have to refill it again. That's fine and dandy. So we need another field, or maybe these fields, whatever fields. Doesn't matter what you want to do. The way I did it was this. I just, built a thingy that doesn't make sense because gravity doesn't work this way. But, there's a ramp with blood going to this place over here. I didn't want you to have to put your face all the way in your actual floor, but some people have to. Anyway, then you have this field, which is going to simulate, death from these spikes. These spikes won't actually hurt you unless this field is around here. So I put those spikes there just to, make it aesthetic, but you can't see the field in the game. So this field here is going to be called offering for me. So I want it to mean something in here. Don't just die and then something happens and nothing's, it just kind of means something. So we're going to go back here and we're going to go to the offering and trigger function, triggering player, damage player 9999. All right, cool. Place down, scream. Show toast. Elise has accepted your offering. Drink the spilled blood. enable fields 6, 7, 8, 9. What do we do, you guys? That's 6, that's 7, that's 8, and that's 9. You see right there? Those fields 9, all the way from 6 to 9. So now all players are going to see a toast. It says someone has made an offering to the almighty Elyses.
Because I'm powerful.
Because I killed people with 10,000 health. Anyway, so that's how you're going to have this guy here offering my offering, and you're going to enable the fields. But remember, to recap, come here to this field, number 6, and then make sure that Elyses Blessing damage, come over to events, and then we're going to come over to Elyses Blessing damage again, and we're going to make sure that when you apply this buff, that you disable field
6. Field 6. Understand that.
You better understand it. Alright? So I'll show you how it works. Alright, so I'm a zombie again. But like I say, you guys, when you first start the match, the pools will be full here. You can program it to where it's not, but I'll have it here so people know that it does something. So you gotta get down. I don't know if you can see me on the camera. Oh. By the way, if you crouch down too low, you start taking damage. Anyway. All right, probably don't crouch down at all. So it says Elyses Blessing. So we got that. Wow, you guys, I'm taking a lot of damage from just crouching right now. So we got that blessing. And we got that blessing. Okay, so let's try to get it again. Doesn't work. Doesn't work. Those fields are disabled. Now let's kill ourselves. Once again, we're a zombie. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to see the pop-up again with this, because we already have them down there. But we will be able to hear the sound, so let's listen for the sound at least. And if I waited a little while, we'll be able to see that these cooldowns went down. But I don't have time for that. And then they'll get refilled. So let's go back over here. Oh, you heard the sound? That stupid, death sound that I'm getting here. Let's see if we can fix that with the height. All right, let's see. I'm still getting destroyed when I crouch. But yeah, these buffs are all working now. Let's go try it again, see if this one worked. I just got that one, remember? Nothing. Nothing. And you just have to go kill yourself again here to refill them. That's how you do that. Understand.